Hello students, how are you all? I am your English teacher Jennifer Sana from St. John's High School. Dear students, this is a junior English book from which we are going to learn about nouns, or in other words we call them naming words. Everything in the world has a name. Students, now I am going to tell you the definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now let's see some examples. Sarah and her cat are playing with ball in the garden. Here, in this sentence, Sarah is the naming word for person and garden is the naming word for place. Cat is the naming word for an animal and ball is the naming word for things. Things means all the non-living things. The picture used in these slides are taken from the internet. Students, let's see some more examples. Number 1 is John and Mark are friends. Here in this sentence there are two nouns. Number 1 is John and number 2 is Mark. John and Mark are the naming word for a person. Number 2 is Ali is going to Lahore. Ali and Lahore are nouns in this sentence. Ali is the naming word for a person and Lahore is the naming word for a place. The shop is open on Sunday. Here in this sentence, shop is a noun because it is a name of a place. Number 4, the driver is driving the bus. Here in this sentence, there are two nouns. Number 1 is driver. Students, can you tell me the name of the other noun? Yes, bus is a naming word. In this sentence, there are two nouns. Number 1 is driver and number 2 is bus. Number 5, the kitten is under the mat. Here in this sentence, kitten and mat are naming words. Kitten is the naming word for an animal and mat is a naming word for a thing. Now students, I hope all of you have understood about nouns. Students, open up your junior English book now, page 1. Exercise A and hold your pencils in your hand. I will read the sentences and help you out to underline the nouns in it. In your book there are 10 sentences, but we will do only 1 till 5 and rest of them you will do in your homework. So let's start with exercise A. Number 1 is, you have to underline the nouns in these sentences, students. The sentence number 1 is, the box was made of wood. Think and tell that what is noun in this sentence. Yes, in this sentence, box and wood are nouns. Number 2. The apples were put in a dish. In this sentence, there are 2 nouns. Again, underline apples and dish. These both are nouns. Number 3 is milk turns sour in hot weather. In this sentence is also 2 nouns, milk and weather. Now number 4 is the lion slept in the shade under the tree. Students, think and underline the 3 nouns in this sentence. Yes. Number 1 is lion. Number 2 is shade. And number 3 is tree. Number 5 is butter is made from milk. Here in this sentence there are 2 nouns. Think and underline it. Later I will tell you that what is the answer. Yes, students, butter and milk are nouns in this sentence. Okay, students, this is your home task. Your question number 1 is use these nouns in your sentences. Number 1 is bag. Number 2 is school. Number 3 is Jane. Number 4 is dog. And number 5 is Dubai. You have to use all these nouns in your sentences. Question number 2 is make a column and put the given nouns in the correct columns. And the words are car, lion, zoo, pencil, Ali, Lahore, Kerala, zebra. You'll have to make 4 columns. One is for person, one is for place, one is for animal, and one is for thing. And then you have to put the given nouns in the correct column. Now question number 3 is from book page 1, do exercise 6 till 10 on a foolscap sheet, because from page number 1 exercise A 1 till 5 we have already done. So you have to do 6 till 10 on a foolscap sheet. Students, complete your home task on a foolscap sheet, punch it in a file and submit in the office every Wednesday 9 to 11 am with your name and class. All the home tasks which given to you, you have to complete on a foolscap sheet. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.